Hey, what's going on, guys? Garrett here from DNA Drives. Today I want to talk about this Plasti dip that I got a couple days ago. This isn't Plasti dip branded Plasti dip, but this stuff is called Peel Coat. It's called Top Coat Effects Color Shift. And I just want to come on here, talk about the product and if it's really worth buying and how much I got it for. So I'm gonna enter that right off the bat. Yes, it is 100% worth it. This thing, man, this can, what it can do is amazing. I am very impressed with this. So if you don't know me, I have a 2012 Mustang 5.0. It's not really modified, to be honest. It's pretty much bone stock. It's got American Muscle AMR wheels on it right now. They came in black, but I dipped them bronze. On one side, I decided to spray this on top of the bronze, and man, it has transformed the look. And then also recently, I helped my friend Reed with his Cadillac ATS. He had black wheels before. He wanted to go to blue, but then we found this at Walmart. Decided to give it a go, and man, I just cannot say enough good things about this. This is awesome. It was so worth it. I believe it was 10 bucks. Definitely give it a try. 10 out of 10. This stuff looks amazing. As you can see from the video, it looks more purple, but in person, looking at it from different angles, sometimes it'll look purple, sometimes it'll look green, sometimes it'll look a little blue. It depends how much of the sunlight is hitting it. When it comes to applying it, it's super simple. If you haven't Plasti dipped wheels before, I have 2 videos out on how to Plasti dip. There's a 3-minute quick video, and then there's a very detailed 7-minute video. 5 steps to get you high quality results. So definitely check these 2 videos out. What it recommends to do on the back of the bottle is to spray black Plasti dip first and then spray over the black Plasti dip with this. However, I did spray over my bronze Plasti dip and it worked out just fine. So either black or, as of now, bronze. It is super simple and I highly recommend it. Give it a try. Plasti dipping your wheels alone, I think it's an awesome thing. I love to do it. I've done so many colors on all my cars that I've had. And this is the first time I've ever used this color shift top coats effect from Peel Coat. Anyways, I just want to come on here and talk about it real quick and give you guys my thoughts. But thank you so much for watching. If you're new to DNA Drives, check the link above right here to see what we're all about. My name is Garrett. DNA Drives is a 2-man operation, meaning myself and another guy named Walker. We both film content on 300 SRTs and Mustangs. Well, he covers the 300 SRT and I cover the Mustang. If you're new to DNA Drives, consider subscribing. Again, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.